Okay, here we go again. Taking this right here. Oh, come on. Where are you? Oh, of course. Left it over there. What have I done? I've pounded it with a hammer. Whether or not these are supposed to come off, we'll find that out later. They still need a lot of TLC. So, and the other side is already off. So now, see what I'm doing here? You see what I'm doing here? Oh boy. I think we just got the rat sport off. In pieces? Absolutely. Was it fun? Heck yeah. Now I gotta go to the other side. Okay. Oh, I'm old. Now, can you see behind me? Do you see? Boom! It's off. Now, we can get at the rest of the stuff. Take this and put this with the rest of my pile of parts. And when the husband comes home, you're like, what the heck did you do, woman? It's all good. Be right back. Okay, so now, what's next? Hose. I'm not sure that's worth anything, but we're going to take them all off, throw them in the box. Hubby can get rid of all these little clamps, I guess. And we're just going to, I guess, what is this? This. Oh, it's got antifreeze in it. Oh, gross. Okay, so we're going to have to come out with some water and dilute that. I'll be right back. Now, I got my bucket of water. And the reason I'm diluting this is because we have animals that come out here. And even just a little bit of antifreeze can not make them feel well. So if we dilute it enough where it's not going to make a difference, we should be okay. And sorry about all the dead air. Couldn't find a bucket. There we go. Diluted. Okay, now, wow, we got a lot of hoses and wires here, folks. I don't know where everything goes. It's got a weird clamp. What is this? Ah, well, another piece goes in the bin. Whatever that was, that's for tie rods. Those look like for motor mounts. I'm not going to touch those. This side looks like it's already been dealt with. All right. Okay. Oh, how to get you up high, guys. Get you in closer. Sorry about that. I know, probably a little woozy now, aren't you? Okay. Oh, you a little off kilter. You look pretty good. Okay. Oh, now, what do we got? What is this? And where does this go? Huh? Wiring harness. What do we got? Big clips. There's screws in there. There's one great big clip. I don't know, guys. I do not know. And a hose. That's there. That's there. That's that. Okay, well, I found a clip. Whether or not we can get that off. There's another one here. Come on. Oh, it's so brittle. Where's my little screwdriver? I don't got one of those. Aha! Aha, aha, aha. Come on. You know you wanna. You're on camera. All right. One. I don't want to break anything. Oh. This one we've almost got though, guys. Oh, come on. I broke something. Oh, come on. You know you want to. Aha! Got it. All right. This, all of that. This all goes in there. This. That's where that goes. Gotcha. Don't think that that's going to come through. Aha! There is screws. Let's see what kind of screws they are. Well, guys, gotta be honest with you. There's a lot of stuff underneath that dash. May have to wait till the dash comes off.